Hello dear fashion bosses, how are you doing today? Welcome to another class. My name remains Faith Abraham, creative director of this channel. Alright, so in today's class we are learning how to make this beautiful but trendy shift dress with fringe, okay? You can call it a shift dress, you can call it a Bubu dress, you can whatever name you deem fit, but it's actually a shift dress, a free wear, a ready to wear. So if this is what you like to learn how to make, please stay to the end of this video. Whilst at it, do not forget to subscribe, okay? All right. So we have a fabric, as it is a tradition, already folded out into four, okay? So you fold the length into two and then fold it again into to give you four pieces. The regular way we cut bubus, okay? So after doing that, the next measurement I'm going to be taking now is the bust point, okay? I'm taking the bust point, that's the measurement. And then after marking the bust point, I'm taking the entire length of the dress, okay? So from the shoulder to the entire length, it's measuring about 40 something inches. So you have to consider where you want the dress to get to and then the length of the fringes you are using. For this project, I actually use a 20 inches length of fringes. You also have 25 inches. You have 20, you have 25 inches, and then you have the ones that are not as long as the 20 and 25 inches. So you put all of that into consideration. So I'm trying to connect my markings together, the bust point and then the length of the dress. Okay. So after doing that, after connecting the length of the dress, the next thing for me to do right now, I'm sorry this part of the video did not show, okay? So I'm imputing my bust measurements, okay, and then I added 4 inches for ease, okay. So your bust measurement divided by 4, and then you go ahead to add between 3, 4, and 5 inches for ease. You know, it's a free wear, okay. And then I'll come to this bottom part. I'll divide my hips by 4, and then I'll go ahead to add 4 inches. So this 4 inches, the seam allowance is already included. Hope you understand. And then after doing that, I'm going to connect my bust point and my hip point together, thereby giving me a straight line. Okay, that is it, guys. You don't require a waistline and a waist measurement, under bust measurement, and all of that. Okay, it's very simple to make, guys. Please, if this is your first time on this channel, we say thanks for stopping by. Please do well to subscribe and tap on the bell so you get notified each time we drop a new video. So I'm going ahead right now to measure my shoulder measurement. I'm sorry it didn't quite capture that point, but I'm gonna explain. So I measure my shoulder measurement 16 inches divided by 2. I imputed it, and then I measure my neckline. The width of the neckline is 3.5 inches, and then the depth for the front panel is 5 inches, for the back panel is 2 inches. Okay, so I come down to this part right now where the tape rule is, which is the shoulder line, and then I'm going to measure 2 inches on my shoulder slope. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to connect so after doing that, I'm going to measure from my center back to the point where I want the sleeve to get to, which is around my elbow area. Okay, so whatever I have around the elbow area from my center back, I'm going to mark, okay, and then impute what I got from my center back to the length of the sleeve. I'm going to impute it, okay. After imputing what I have, guys, I'm going to go ahead to add 2 inches measurement for seam allowance, okay. 2 inches for seam allowance, that's what I just did, okay. And then I'm going to connect it from that point of the 2 inches to my bust point, okay, to give me a sleeve. At this point right now, that is my sleeve, okay. So I connect from that point, this point right now, from that 2 inches to my neckline, okay, for my shoulder slope, okay. All right, so that's what I just did. And so guys, we are almost done with this project. So the next thing is to create a little curve connecting my arm, my sleeve to my bodies, you know, which that will start as a bit of arm, or not arm, or just a curve, okay, for easy relaxation, okay. So that is what I did there. I'm just trying to make sure the curve is proper, okay, trying to make sure the curve is proper. That's what I'm doing right now, okay. So guys, we are done with the drafting of the simple but beautiful, classy and trendy shift or Bubu dress, okay. That is it guys. So the next thing is for us to cut this out, okay. So guys, if you've watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed, please do well to tap on the bell, to tap on the subscription button to get subscribed, and the bell to get notified. You're always the first to get notification each time we drop video, which of course we always do, okay. And on this channel we upload sewing tutorials and eldwear tutorials. I don't forget to mention that eldwear tutorials such as turban, fascinator, hats, auto gele, headband and the rest, okay. So do well to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. So this is my lining. The outfit is going to have a lining is really very necessary for this design because it helps give your job a proper finishing. And then yes, it just helps gives your job a proper finishing. So I'm pulling out the inner part, which happens to be the back neckline, after cutting the neckline, and then I'm going to cut out the front neckline. That's what I just did here right now. So this is my lining guys. I'm going to be using my main fabric to cut out my lining basically. Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing here right now. I lay my lining, I lay my main fabric which we've just cut out on it, and then I go ahead to replicate what I have on my main fabric on my actual on my lining, okay. So please like this video, share, give a thumbs up, okay, make it go viral, and do not forget to subscribe guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. That is all I ask of you. Subscribe, subscribe. Give a thumbs up, okay? Like, appreciate us, okay? That's all we require from you. So guys, I'm done cutting the lining. We're going into the sewing process right now. I'm just going to open up my panel this way. So whatever I'm doing on this panel, which happens to be the front panel, is what I'm going to do on the back panel. So I just open up the front panel this way, and then I place my fringes, okay. Please, I just place my fringes. Please kindly note that my fringes, I place it, this part of the fringe that is dangling on the table will be facing the inner, will be on the, will actually be on your main fabric, okay. I wrongly place it right now, but I'm going to show you the right way to place it. I'm sorry about that, okay. So after placing it, okay, so this is the right way to place it. Hope you got it, okay. So after placing it this way, okay, you place your lining like this, okay, like you can see me do right now, okay. So you just go ahead to place your lining this way, okay, and then you will sew down on this bottom part. Please note that you require about 4 if you want the fringes to be very full, okay. So I layered it like about 4 times, okay. So you sew it down like I just showed you right now, okay. So I layered my fringes for it to be full about 4 times. So you sew this part down as well, you know, sewing the fabric to the lining, okay. I sew my neckline, okay, and then I come to the other side, right, and then I sew. Please do not forget that whatever you are doing to this panel, you are also doing to the back panel. Okay, so you saw this side, like you can see me. You see some of our turbans. Okay, we sell, we make, we teach, and all of that. Okay, so also sew this other part. So I'm done sewing, guys. I've I've turned it inside out. You can see my fringes, how beautiful it is looking, and how it is properly placed. Okay, so I've done that to the front panel and the back panel. So right about now, I'm bringing both panels together, being the front and the back. Okay, we've not joined the shoulder, so we are going to be joining the shoulder right now. So I pick up my shoulders this way. I flipped it over this way, like you can see me do right now. Okay, lining to lining, fabric to fabric, properly positioned, properly flipped, and then I'm going to sew. Okay, by the time you are done with this, the inner part of your fabric is, the inner part of your outfit is really looking very beautiful, very neat, good finishing. Okay, so after doing this, I also did the same to the other parts of the shoulder. I come to the sleeve and then I will fold. Remember, we left 2 inches for the folding, so I fold. And then after folding the sleeve, the hem of the sleeve, I come and then I stitch the side together using either a 0.5, 0.75, or 1 inch, depending on your preference. I'll do the same to the other side of the dress. Okay, I will join my shoulders, fold the hem of my sleeve. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to join the side with your preferred allowance. And guys, give a proper ironing and you are done with this project. Hey guys, this is the final and the outcome of our job. So if you know you've had value from this video, please kindly like, share, give a thumbs up. And guys, we are going to see you in our next video. Do not forget to follow us on all our social media handles on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and of course, do not forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, see you guys in our next video. All right, and bye bye for now. Love you all. Bye for now.